by the title, we about to do some solid motor mounts today. So I got a kit that gives you plates. Plate goes like that. This side mounting. Yeah, the engine doesn't rock no more. Bruh, my tires are bubbling. Oh! What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, y'all. How y'all doing today, man? Hopefully y'all doing smooth today. Today is beautiful Sunday, you feel me? Beautiful Sunday morning. You can tell by the title, we about to do some solid motor mounts today. So I got a kit that gives you plates that you weld onto the motor mounts, to stock motor mounts, and you pretty much make it a solid motor mount. So just pulled up to my boy Juan's house, the Nolly with the C10, you feel me? We about to do it here because my boy's got an engine hoist. So I just gotta go buy the engine mounts right now, and then we're gonna get it done, bro. We're gonna get it done. Check out this Caprice though. That shit is clean as hell, boy. Ooh, he clean. So yeah, as I was saying, I got these plates. All you gotta do is weld them onto the stock mounts, and it pretty much makes the stock rubber mount a solid motor mount. So it solidifies that mount itself. So I got the plates. I'm about to go grab the mounts right now. I know I'm hella late. I'm about to grab them right now, but I'm about to grab the engine mounts right now, and then we're gonna weld the plates onto the new mounts and install them. I think the hardest part is gonna be installing the mounts, to be honest. I've never installed them, but I heard they're hella hard to install, so we're gonna see. Yeah, we're putting up to the Z though, to the AZ to the AutoZone, you know what I'm saying? Sheesh. Got the mounts, bro. We got the mounts. Ooh wee. Check him out. BLS3 thing. Looking clean, boy. On the Cobras. My boy ready to get into the motor mount. Gonna take off the black paint. Be able to weld on the plate. Where the plate at? These are the plates right here. 4 of them. Plate goes like that. Gets welded on here, and it makes it a solid motor mount. Much welds these two together. It makes it one solid. One for each side, and then pretty much this for the other motor mount. The other side. Yeah, boy. We're gonna see if it makes a difference or not.
Oh yeah, it's gonna make a difference.
It should make a difference, right? I would say so.
Yeah, you gonna feel it.
Solid motor mounts coming soon. There it is. Plate kit, Dirty Dingo LS 2000 to 2006 engine mount plate kit. Got it from Amazon. $40 each plate kit. I got an extra one, just in case, you know what I'm saying? Maybe the step side will get it. Yeah, we get into it, boys. We get into it. These old engine mounts are coming out. We're going solid. Look at them beautiful welds. Sheesh. We have a solid motor mount. It's officially solidified. We're just gonna spray paint that motherfucker black. Oh, look nice. Look at them welds, boy. Crispy. Tacos Customs for the win, man. For the win.
Grab it though.
Huh? Grab it. Fuck no, nigga. I ain't grabbing that motherfucker.
Hot potato?
Hot potato. Yes, sir. Look at this smoky. Smoky! Check out the other side. Oh, boy, look at them welds. Sheesh. Officially a solid motor mount. Not solid, solid. Shit, for 40 bucks, bro, not bad, bro. $40 for these little plates. You know what I'm saying? And the motor mounts were only 50 bucks. Instead of paying is it like 270 to 300 for the one from Atomic. It costs like 270 for their motor mounts. They're solid motor mounts. Theirs is all made out of just all metal. There's no rubber inside of there, you know. But
it's the same shit.
It's the same shit.
It's the same shit.
Now it is. Other side getting welded. Freshly painted, boy. It look good. Can't even tell. Well, that's a solid motor mount right there, boy. Sheesh. All right, driver's side, you gotta take the steering shaft out. Shout out my boy.
Yeah. Can you reach that one, bro?
Keep it 1,000 with you, my brother. No, I cannot reach it. Your boy's short.
So the other ones I seen were this whole middle shit right here.
Was split?
It was both the metal pieces was
Were together?
Yeah.
Oh, this one wasn't
And
too
the dude
bad.
didn't even know too.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
No, they're not too bad, bro.
But these new ones are gonna definitely make a difference. It's just in there, huh?
It's just a tight space.
You got this side mounting. Ooh, boy. Look at the nookie. This side is in. Other side is in too. Old ones right here. They were still good. They weren't all the way bad. You know what I'm saying?
Huh? Fucking waving at me, motherfucker. I know who you are.
Alright, we got 4 bolts down here. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 bolts down here, 3 up there. You see them 1, 2, and then there's 1 in the middle. But it's all done. Both sides are done. Don't mind all the oil leaks, but both sides are done. We'll see what it feels like. I said there's 3 on this side. So you got 1 right there, and then 1 on that side. So 3 up here, 4 at the bottom. So both sides are done though. Solid motor mounts are in. You can see the little plates right there, welded together. Here's the other side as well. All done. New solid motor mount. Sheesh. We won't find out, bro. ¿Está bueno o no vale? Yeah, gusto. Solid motor mount, first startup. Oh yeah, you feel it right away. Ooh. Yeah, that's nice. There's no flex from the engine, it's just straight rev. Yeah, boy. See it? Yeah. The engine doesn't rock no more. You know, back when you rev it, the engine fucking does that. It torques to the side. Now it doesn't. Now it just stays in there, solid now. Hell yeah, now we gotta drive it. Oh, yeah, you're right, good. Yeah, it stays in there, bro. The motor does not move no more. The whole truck rocks now. Sheesh. We gotta drive it now. See what it feels like. It feels good, bro. It feels good. Way more small, for sure. When you grab that gear, that shit pulled my ass right back. You can feel that shit, bro. That shit makes a big ass difference for sure.
Those people weren't even aware of what happened behind them. They're not even good. Oh, look at that thing. I can feel it.
You can feel it?
Yeah. It just goes, huh?
Force the whole truck back, dude. That shit was good. Look at that shit. Feel it just putting the power straight back. the only way, baby. New driver. My boy about to slide it. Toss the keys to my boy's taco, you feel me? Since he's always helping me out, you know what I'm saying? Gotta bless him with the keys real quick. Ooh, it should sound good. Huh? It's good. Yeah, he knows what I'm talking about.
As far as what?
It feels like when you let go of too much, it starts feeling like a little like soggy. It feels weird, nigga. I don't know if it's because it's hot outside or what, but it don't really feel like that. Hey, you can feel it, huh? Bruh, my tires are bubbling, nigga. Oh! Oh! Bruh, that's what happens when I give you the keys. Look at my tire, nigga. What the fuck?
Oh, what the fuck? The whole shit.
The whole thing is bubbled up, nigga. Nigga, I'm weak. What the fuck? Solid motor mounts make a difference, bro. I tell you that right now. Solid motor mounts make a pretty good difference. I'm not gonna say it makes like a holy shit, that's fucking crazy difference, you know, but it almost feels like you gain like a solid like 5, maybe 7 horsepower or something. It feels pretty noticeable, bro. You feel me? There's no flex from the motor now. It's just straight power, you know, power to the ground. So it's way more responsive. You feel me? Like just doing that feels way more responsive. You feel me? Mounts, definitely recommend them. Personally, me, I recommend you doing what I did today and grabbing those plates and grabbing a set of stock motor mounts and welding the plates onto there. Because if you decide to buy some solid motor mounts that are already made by someone, like I think Atomic sells motor mounts, but they're like $270 to $300. And personally, me, the difference it made, it's a noticeable difference, and it feels way better. But I don't think it's a difference that it's worth $300. You feel me? So for new engine mounts, it's a lot cheaper. It only costs the engine mount were like $50 each one, so 100 plus the plates were 40. So for about $140, you can have yourself a set of solid motor mounts made at home. So honestly, for $140, it's worth the difference. $140 worth the difference. $300, not really worth the difference like that. So yeah, if you guys want some solid motor mounts, definitely recommend doing it at home. I'll drop the link in the description to the plates that I got. I ordered them from Amazon. And honestly, a lot of people say that with solid motor mounts, you're gonna feel a lot of vibration, and I really don't feel anything. I feel very little when I rev it, but it's almost no vibration at all. So honestly, you can't really complain about motor mounts. I definitely recommend getting it done. All right, y'all. So we made it back home safe. The truck is good. It's running good. Besides the fact that I feel like it's running a little soggy, like when I'm sliding it, like even my boy noticed it. It just feels like it's not as responsive. Like it's kind of hard to explain it, but it's not as responsive as I used to be. It's not because of the mounts. It's not because of the mounts, because that's literally not even a mechanical part or electrical part. It's literally metal and bushing. So it's not the mounts. The mounts didn't cause it. I don't know what's going on with it. I think maybe the spark plug wires need to be changed. Maybe it's due for spark plug wires. It's been a minute. I also think that possibly the transmission may be getting a little hot ever since we did the X-pipe. The X-pipe is actually a lot closer to the transmission. So it's possible that the X-pipe could be causing a lot of heat, making the transmission get hot and making it run soggy. It's very possible. I'm going to have to do some testing. I'm going to drive it, checking the transmission temperatures and see what the transmission temperatures are getting up to. Verify if it's trying to getting hot. And if not, you know, it's a process of elimination. You got to check, you know, the transmission, the spark plug wires could be old. It could be a lot of different things causing it to run like that. Definitely not the motor mounts though. I'll definitely 100% say it's not the motor mounts that caused that. The motor mounts actually make it really responsive when it comes to hitting the throttle. You know, there's no more flex of it kind of leaning back because the engine rocking now. None of that. The moment you hit the throttle, the power goes back to the wheels and puts you back. So 100% recommend the motor mounts. Like I said, I would go with the plates that I got. Don't buy a whole set of motor mounts because they are quite expensive. If you got the bread, by all means do it. You know what I'm saying? What I did today is more of a DIY, you know what I'm saying? Do it yourself kind of project. So you just get a new set of motor mounts. You put those plates on there, you weld them and slap them in, and you got yourself a set of solid motor mounts. So just because you go with the plates that I went with doesn't mean you cheaped out on it. It works the same thing. It's a solid motor mount, just like if you buy one that's made already, one solid piece. So it's the same thing. It's a solid motor mount. That's what matters. It made a difference. I definitely recommend it. Huge shout out my boy Taco, man. I can't thank you enough, bro. For real. I appreciate you for taking care of my whips. Thank you for coming through today and helping me out with the welding and helping me install the motor mounts. Also, huge shout out to my boy Juan for letting me borrow his engine hoist and obviously his driveway to let us swap out the engine mounts and use the hoist to be able to lift the engine to swap out the mounts. So huge shout out my boy Juan. Shout out my boy Taco. I appreciate y'all my dogs. That is going to be the end of this video though. So let me know what you guys thought of today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Smash that like button for your boy, you feel me? Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Click that bell notification so you get reminded every time that I upload. See you guys on the next one, man.